Officially today we had 53 degrees for that low temperature. That's very close to our average high temperature for this time of year. We made it all the way up to 77 degrees. Again, this ties us with the warmest we have been so far for 2020. There are some big changes on the way, with 60 currently in Charleston, West Virginia, 51 in Columbus, Ohio, 49 in Indianapolis, 56 degrees in Nashville. So colder weather is off to the west of us. That colder weather is sliding over the top of us while we're sleeping tonight. And that's going to set the stage for a chilly weekend, at least comparatively speaking to where we've been so far this work week, with temperatures tonight dipping all the way close to 40, with 40 our forecast low in the city of Charlottesville, 39 in Stantonville, 37 in Madison, 38 degrees in Crozet and Livingston, 41 in Palmyra, 36 degrees in Louisa under a mix of stars and clouds. Clouds and radar here shows an increasingly cloudy sky that we've had to contend with this afternoon. In reality, this actually kept us from getting so warm this afternoon. That's why we didn't hit that magical 80-degree mark. Even though we were 3 degrees shy, still weren't able to hit it. Richmond, by the way, did hit 80 degrees this afternoon. Out west, we have a mess of a storm system here. You have one area of low pressure up across northeastern Colorado. You have another one here in eastern New Mexico. You have another one trying to move through Arkansas and Oklahoma. What does that mean for us here locally? Well, it means rain is back in the forecast this upcoming weekend. The first half of the weekend, though, looking to be on the drier side, at least for the first, say, 3/4 of your Saturday. As we walk through Saturday afternoon, though, clouds thicken up even more, and then rain arrives after sunset. Sunset around 7:20 now, so after about 8 o'clock is when we'll start to see some raindrops re-enter the region. You're also noticing some blue here. That represents snow on the Futurecast. This is primarily going to be an elevation-driven event, so at or above 2,000 feet. Lower elevations, we're just going to remain a very cold rain. I say cold rain because we have temperatures only in the 40s throughout the day on Sunday, but Saturday on your CBS 19 Weather Authority app, this is all weather all the time with 43 degrees at 7 a.m. and 8 o'clock in the morning. 46 degrees by 9 o'clock, and then we'll warm into the upper 50s. Some of us could approach that 60-degree mark tomorrow afternoon. Futurecast temperatures and wind here shows 50s across the board as we roll into your Saturday afternoon. Sunday, though, different story. 30s to get your day started. Sunday afternoon, 40s. 30s, and if we happen to see a little bit of sunshine late in the day, we could jump into the 50s. That's if we see some sunshine. We're not banking on a whole lot right now, and that's why we're looking at temperatures remaining on the chillier than average side. On Sunday, same goes for your Monday as well, except I do think things will jump back into the 50s. Still not a whole lot of sunshine anticipated. Why? Well, we have an active storm pattern again with that rain Saturday night to Sunday morning as we head into Sunday afternoon, and Monday looking to be on the drier side, but there's still a mess of rain and clouds to the south of us. As we roll into your Tuesday, in the morning, a couple of showers will be possible. Drier for your Wednesday. See a strong area of high pressure across the Great Lakes, though. Incoming storm system from the west. Next Thursday, realistically, it could be one to watch, at least for the higher elevations. Here in the lower elevations, another chilly rain could be expected. Notice how much green you're seeing there on their Futurecast. So more rain anticipated on Thursday, a little bit of a break Friday, and then Friday night, Saturday, we could be looking at another round of showers, maybe even a couple of thunderstorms, but that's looking long term late next week. What we have to deal with this weekend, chillier weather, 59 degrees on Saturday, 48 degrees on Sunday, and then 35 degrees Monday morning. That's the coolest low temperature I have over the next several days. We have gone several days now without seeing that freezing temperature, so it's getting pretty late in March here, Rick. So yeah, it's going to be interesting to see if we flirt with it anytime soon. Well,
I'm not the expert, you are, but usually when we have this warm weather this early in the year, isn't there like a freeze that comes in at some point and then takes off?
Usually there is, and one of the first freezes is March 27th. That's like the earliest last freeze at Cho, at least. So, I mean, we're not done yet. We still have a couple more weeks, and usually if you see things budding like this, usually a freeze comes around the 1st of April, and it's like, haha, not so fast.
So it might not happen.
It might not happen, but we'll have to wait and see.
All right. Thanks a lot, David.